Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Smokefest in Pensacola, Florida. It's Smokey Hill Designs. They're doing like a cross-country little setup to sell all their acrylics, and we're one of the first few stops here in Pensacola, I think, and that's where we're headed now. We only live like 30 minutes from there, so luckily we're close. So I went ahead and watched their video. If you haven't yet, you need to go do that, about what to bring and what to prepare for. So I've got the wagon on the back of the truck. I got my little notepad, which I haven't written any notes down yet, or questions. She said come with questions. If you have questions, I can answer for like anything for your laser. She also said to bring painter's tape and a Sharpie, because the boxes are labeled with the different acrylics and woods and stuff, so that way you can like label it on the tape here and then put it on the acrylic that you're buying, so when you cut it with your laser, if you like it, you know what you got, so you can reorder it. So we're going to do that, and we're going to check it out and see what all they have. I've already watched some of their videos to see what they're going to have, so I'm a little excited. I'm still new to the laser world, still learning. I bought an OMTech or OMTech, I don't really know how you say it, which we're going to be doing a video on soon, because I actually haven't even opened it yet, so that's coming. But we're going to see what we can find. So we came with a budget of, was it 160?
160.
Came with a budget of 160. I'm going to try not to spend all of it. Again, I'm still new to everything, so I really don't know what I'm looking for or what I want. But we're going to ask them some questions and see. How cool is this, y'all? Super neat. And they said that they brought plenty of stuff, so we didn't actually get here when they opened at 10. They said you can come anytime because they're not going to run out of stuff. They brought a bunch, and then they're going to have more shipped to them throughout the whole process. So let's go check it out. Oh, I didn't download the app. I did make an account though. She said to make an account before you come. So when you go to check out, you're going to give them your email address. Here's a price sheet. That chai's pretty. I don't think I want any wood. It's the same on that. Nope, it's different on the other side.
These are what we call scattered patterns, which means the pattern is really, it's scattered across the surface, but you can see the raw acrylic color through it. They are not ideal for engraving, just because the core is already visible. So if you're engraving a word on this, you're just going to be engraving on just the plain acrylic. So
just the blue, basically.
If you color fill it's going to be a little bit busy. It can be done, but it's not the best product for that. We do have some full coverage patterns on the color for it, which would mean that the entire sheet is covered with a pattern. So then when you engrave, you only see that color coming through.
How would I attempt this? Those three.
Okay, so this is just like they're using multiple different things.
And they're gluing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They are gluing.
Do you recommend 3M for that? Or do you recommend?
You can use the 3M. We also, we are actually now a dealer for Star Bond.
Okay,
and,
I watched your video on that.
Yeah, after it tested out so well, we called them.
Oh, cool.
But it wasn't until that was after we were going to be bringing that to. I think it's shipping in to the next stop.
Okay.
We'll have a whole display, so we will have the Star Bond, but we do have the 3M here as well. It just depends if you're gluing. Some of those have a back piece that they are layering it on, like.
You can zoom in, yeah.
This one.
Like I would cut one sheet. Or
like it might have a sheet in the back. That one you could have used the 3M on, but some of them, like this one, look like they were gluing the edges together rather than that, so you would want to use glue on that.
Okay.
It really just depends.
I got a lot to learn. Those butterflies, so pretty. Pumpkins. What is that? That's a different pumpkin, lighter pumpkin. Yeah.
So these are acrylic, and it's printed acrylic.
That's precious.
That is so precious. That's straight.
That's my favorite. Oh, that's Easter. That's cute.
With your bunnies and
yeah. Look, you're already a pro. You know what you're doing.
I just know what you like.
But yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So it's like a
that has-
try.
You get 3 different things. Yeah.
That's cool because you can try. Oh, I like that one too.
And that one, yeah.
That's great for today and for the 4th of July. There's literally so much to look at. This is... Oh, yes. Look at the crawfish. That's pretty too. I think Mike's having more fun than I am. It's really easy to go.
Clear ones over here.
Yeah, I want some pink bows.
How much are these?
I don't know. We have to look and see. That's cute with the
Can't be
cactus.
more than $50 right there. $2,000 worth of shit.
That's pretty. See, I don't know what's what though. Yeah, there's so much stuff here. You literally just have to flip through everything. They have tons and tons of stuff. What is that? Is that cows? It's a Highland cow. The checkered print. What is that?
Christmas.
Christmas? Oh, look, it's like little Taylor Swift bracelets. That's cute. I guess it's not really Taylor Swift, but it's little bracelets. Now that's pretty. I love this right here. I love that.
Oh, there was a spooky cart over here, so I think they probably cleared out a lot
Huh?
of spooky.
Swimming? I wish this was tinier. I like that print, but I want it smaller. That one's teacher one. Ladybugs, bumblebees. This one's the sea turtle one. Look at that little chili peppers. We need 1/8. We're not doing anything bigger than 1/8. That's pretty. That'd be good for little studs.
Oh, swans? Oh.
Oh, those are cute little peeps. Those are cute for Easter. Oh, look at that, baby. It's pretty. That'd be good for like a sun catcher. I like the little mini prints for earrings. Oh, that's perfect. I want that sheet. Put that one in the buggy. Look how pretty. I don't know what I would use that for, but that's pretty. Oh, Christmas cows. Oh, there's a watermelon. Look at this one. That's cute.
I think I have it all. And it's like, well, almost the person didn't know.
I listened to you and brought tape, but we got a little busy, so I didn't label anything. We don't know what anything is. My husband just started putting stuff in the buggy. The bumblebee's pretty. What is that, a sloth?
So damaged at this point. At this point,
That's really pretty. It's like little snails. Y'all, there's so much in here. If I had an unlimited budget, I would probably walk out of here spending a couple $1,000s. Like, there's so much in here to look at and to do. That's really pretty. Keep going back to this one. I've seen this one a couple times. I like that one a lot. Okay, I don't know.
I'll look at the table. You look there. I think I have nurses on turquoise.
Your solid pattern colors like brown.
There is
Oh, there's the
some
kitty cats.
white on black, black on white, and then softball yellow on red, white on red. But we don't have the
It's like a brown.
not.
Oh, this is the one that I have on my earrings. Or
That's ivory.
ivory. Okay.
It gives it kind of like a
And you
vintage look.
And you said it's because it's double printed. it wouldn't be good to engrave on. It would just be good to like cut like you have on.
It's better for cutting just
Okay.
because you can see the core color, so when you engrave on it, it doesn't really give you a lot of contrast.
Checkered. Pineapples. It's a lot of pretty flowers. My husband got the butterfly one for me. There's avocados. There's a lot of Christmas in here. There's little dinosaurs. So she said when it's printed on both sides, like on both sides, it's not that great to engrave. It's better to cut just like a shape.
Well, that's what I got most of those for, because you put earrings on them.
Yeah. I can get in trouble in here. This is going to be a bad habit for me, I think. But there's so much profit to be made. Look at this one. How pretty that is. That's cool there. I like that one. Update, I found one of these. Which one? Yes. You don't want it? Yeah, I want this one. Okay. Update. My neighbor's here. One of my neighbors. I found this in the back, which you can buy these. I've been using it to look at the different, like how I want to do the earrings. So I'm going to show y'all what we picked out so far. My husband's picked out a lot of it. He's got a better eye for this than I do. So my neighbor Michelle actually just put this one back, so I'm going to get it. It's the dog paws, our cats, dog paws, and dogs. And it's on clear. And we're kind of digging this ivory strawberry, because I'm not going to engrave on this. And then this one is a 3-color one too. It's just like pretty patterns. It's like the blue flower or leaf looking things, seashells and sea turtles, and it's on clear. I just really liked this one. It's also on clear. It looks like embroider, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. It looks embroidered. It's really pretty. Let's see. My husband picked out this one. We switched it. We had it on ivory, but now we got it on clear. It's little bees. And then I really kept going back to this one. I don't know if I'm going to get it. It's like little snails and mushrooms, and it's on clear. And then my husband picked out a few of these here. It's the pine cone. Ignore my ugly wagon. We use it for everything. The pine cones on ivory. The pumpkins on ivory. He picked out 2 different ones. There's pastel, and then there's this one. We like this one. I put the pastel back. I'm really loving this. You can do it for lobsters or crawfish, but we live in South Alabama, so it's definitely crawfish to me, which those are great. And it's on white. It's on a white core. Look at me, I'm learning. I walked in here not knowing anything, and now I'm learning. And then houndstooth, obviously, roll tide. It's on clear. And then I really like this for the summer. Thought this would make some really cute earrings. It's the watermelon, and it's also on clear. The black acrylic. The dog butts. The dog paws are pretty. Space. My hair's everywhere. Space is really pretty. Look at that. That's cool. Cowgirl boots. The black is really pretty acrylic. That's really, I like the black probably the best. My cart's already full though, so I can't get anything else right now. We have actually already went over our budget, but we have to look through and pick what we want, because I'm not going out of budget. I'm going to stick to what I said. That one's pretty. She's got everything. If you get the opportunity to come to Smokefest, come to Smokefest. Just looking through everything is very cool. The soccer balls look really good on the black. Leopard. Oh, the honeybee's pretty on the black too. Look at that. Is it honeybees? I like the other one better though. I like the one we picked out better. The cactus is pretty in the black. Okay. Alright, so they have the glitter in the back. I think these are $30 a sheet. But it's so pretty. We're not getting any glitter today. I may order some in the future. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the flowers are really pretty with the glitter. The daisies and the mushrooms are really, really nice. Baseball, soccer. The books are cool. There's different pink ones. The skulls are pretty. That'd be good for Halloween, look. The skulls and the glitter. I like that. I really like this one. Breast cancer. Oh, that gold's pretty. I think a pretty earring. Daisies. What is that one? Butterflies. The pink checkered. I know checkered's in right now. That's pretty. I think that's all. It's skulls. That's kind of hard to see. Is skulls. And be careful when you're flipping through here. I've smashed my fingers, especially if it's really full like that. I keep smashing my fingers. Oh, that's pretty. Teacups. Oh, that's the chinoiserie. I'm gonna take a picture of that one. I'm gonna order that one probably. I still haven't seen any pink bows. I was looking for the coquette bows. They have geese. Crystals if you're into that. Oh, the mushrooms and the clear glitter is pretty. More let's look at the coquette bows. It's the same one. Ooh, this is a pretty baseball. It's on red glitter. Skulls are just so pretty with this color. I'm not a big fan of skulls, but I do like that. And this is the metallic. This is the mirrored. So that glitter's in the wrong spot. So that's the mirrored. These are the full coverage clear flex. Very cool. These are diode friendly. They have a lot of cool patterns. Oh, that's pretty. That'd be pretty for a sun catcher for Halloween. We ended up going a little over budget, but it wasn't bad. But our total was $184 and some change. So how many sheets did we get? Is it 8? He's gonna count real quick. I did get, I got this, and then I got their color pattern swatch.
8.
I got a color pattern swatch thing, and then 8 acrylic, and then I went ahead and got this, even though I'm not gonna be using wood. It's, if you get it at Smokefest, it's only $6 for this huge can. So it was successful. If you get the opportunity to come, definitely come. It's really cool to check everything out. Just looking through everything, you kind of get a feel of what you like and what you don't like. And then just like she said in her videos, on Smokey Hill Designs videos, some stuff you wouldn't even realize the colors would go together or the patterns would go with certain colors, but just seeing it in person, it makes more sense. But if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye.